Start kar. Hi guys, today we are at Omega Systems and this is a video to show you how to flash your phone. Now guys, as I observed that on internet there are many things and articles given, but they don't give the user a proper instruction how to flash their phones, and as it is risky process, so today we at Omega Systems, me Siddesh Patil and Deepen Saha will teach you how to flash. Now guys, basically we need firmware. Now today I'll teach you how to flash a Nokia 5233. Now download the firmware files and place them in a folder. A custom firmware mainly has three sort of files: a ROFS2 file, a core file, and a UDF file. Now once you have downloaded these files, you are ready to flash. Just you need the flashing tools. Now for the flashing tools you need something called as JAF. JAF is just another flasher. Once you install it on your computer, you need something called as this OGM JAF PKey emulator. OGM JAF PKey emulator is a emulator which runs JAF. Now once you start this, JAF, a window will open. Go to the step 2 and then click go launch selected exe. Now minimize the window and wait for some time. Now JAF should start. JAF will show you a box driver is not installed. Don't worry. Now go to the BB5 tab. As Nokia 5233 is a BB5, that is baseband 5, select BB5. Now untick CRD308, untick normal mode, select dead USB, select manual flash. And now the use INI file. Select the use INI file and wait for some time. A window will open as JAF is a little bit slow. A window will open and it will show you all the phone list with their RM and RS types. Now select the phone you want. Now I have a 5233 today, so let's select it. Now this is Nokia 5233. I select it and select OK. Now once you do this, select MCU. MCU is for the core file. Now once you download the core file, rename it to C.C0R. .C0R is an extension instead of. Okay, once you do this, save the file. Now select the file where you have kept it. Now I have kept the file in a folder called as firmware on my desktop, so I go to the folder and I select the core file. Now you can see here the core file. Now select it, click open. Now the button should go green. Now select the ppm. Ppm is for the ROFS2 file. Now when you click ppm, wait for some time. A window will open. A window will open and then select the ROFS2 file. See, ROFS2 file for 5233 has a .v21 extension. So select the file, select open. Now select the APE variant. When you select the APE variant, select the UDF file. Wait till the window opens. Now select the UDF file which has a .spx extension. Select the file, select open. Now guys, today I have a Nokia 5233 here. You can see it, I have customized it totally. Now once you are ready for flashing, you have selected those files. Make sure that your phone is in switch off condition. You make a backup in C drive, that is go to the memory, go to your file manager and then make a backup. Make a backup of contacts. Now once you have done it, the USB plug, you put the USB cord anywhere and then you just put the USB cord. Now make sure that your phone is in switched off condition. Just keep it aside. Now again come back to the desktop. Now as your files are ready, now select the flash. Once you select the flash, it will show you an warning. Select yes. Once you select yes, Now make sure it will searching for the phone. Press the button for 1 second and then click OK. Now it should detect the phone is detected and wait for some time. It will take some time. Okay guys, now the phone has been flashed. The process is over. Now again come back to your phone. Now it should be showing something like this. Now remove the USB cord. Don't switch off, don't do anything, just remove the battery cover. Once you remove the battery cover, just remove the battery and wait for 2-3 seconds. Again put it back, put your back panel again. Now your phone is ready. Now booting the phone. There it goes. The phone has booted. It has a custom firmware inside. Now this is a Storm C6, Nokia C6 V40 Storm. It has been developed at Omega Systems by me, Siddesh Wadel and Deepen Saha. Do make sure you search for it. It's a good firmware, very fast, stable. Now as you see that my files are preloaded, my SMSs, my contacts and the widgets, everything, they are in order. So this is just because I didn't select AP variant, but this is don't do this. When you are flashing your phone with a new firmware, make sure that you select the UDF file. Now this is Nokia 5233 here, fully working with Nokia C6 Storm.